Hello, everybody. Nate here, and we have our third episode of the series where we are renovating the front porch. And today we're getting to some painting. Weather's been very well, it looks really nice today, but it's been raining nonstop, very windy all week, and we have another week of that. So we're getting some of the things done that we can get done, whether that's painting or getting things cut and stuff like that. So today we're painting, and we got a little bit going here. I did some tests, and so we'll show that. And we also are going to start doing a little bit of cleaning of the front porch because I'd hate to redo all this, just rebuild it, and be dirty and cobweb filled and everything. So we're going to do a little bit of cleaning of that. And yeah, that's going to be it for today. Not a whole ton here, and we're going to get right to it. So we got the paint going, and we're going to let that dry as we do the other sides. As you can see, we got some already completely finished up. We're going to keep doing it. But, as my father-in-law pointed out, we made an oopsie. Don't know if anybody caught it, but this is interior paint, not exterior paint. So we might have a problem with this not holding up to the weather, so we might have to get the same color in an exterior paint and go over it, but we've already started, so we're just going to roll with it. And like I said, it may just need redone here, maybe next summer or something, or maybe even later this year, and we'll just have to go through and repaint, which won't be too difficult, but that's a big oopsie. Okay, so we got the remainder of the post painted. My father-in-law got these all done. So those are all good, drying, ready to go. And now we are on to putting the carpet in. So we have some carpet adhesive, which is some thick stuff, which we're going to have to trowel on. And he already got the carpet kind of rough cut, so it's in place, and then we can put it in. Okay, so we got the carpet in. As you can see, it's a little bit loose, and we don't have enough to do the stairs. So we're actually gonna do wooden stairs. We're gonna go over top of the concrete stairs here. We're gonna build those out, and we'll color match those to the railings. But now, as you can see, we're gonna do things a little bit differently for those post bases. We have some all thread with a washer and nut. It's going to go down and be our base. We've got ourselves a hammer drill, and we're just going to take those guys right down through the middle, but we're going to have to measure off and figure out exactly where we're going to be with these, probably somewhere right around in there-ish. And then we have some down here that we're going to do. So we're going to go ahead, figure out where we need to be, cut out the little bit of carpet that we need, go ahead, drill down, get these guys set, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we got our rods in. That's good. And as you can see, this is just how they're going to go. Washer, nut. We'll grind some of this off because we don't need it to be that tall. And we will have some of it go up into the bottom of our post. Actually, maybe not, because it's just going to rest here and then we're going to screw it here, so it'll be held tight. So we're going to grind these guys down. I probably didn't need to get as long of ones. Like the package, we just went to 2 3/4 depth, which I set by measuring off the depth gauge on the hammer drill, and just did a 1/2 inch bit. They're 1/2 inch bolts. So what we'll do is, I'm not tightening them all the way down yet. We're gonna get a square and make sure it's, you know, perpendicular and square off the edges of the porch and the stairs. Make sure those are good before we tighten them down all the way. And then, like I said, we'll probably make a mark and we'll pop all this stuff off, grind off where we need, and go from there. Okay, so now we have all of our marks there. We're actually going to leave these bottom ones for right now because we are going to do wood, and I think there are some wooden stair treads we can put down, so we're going to want those. We're going to want to leave a little extra room for those to come up, and put our post bases on top of that, because those can just go all the way across. So we're going to wait on those and leave those, but we're going to go ahead and get these top ones trimmed because those are ready to go. And then we'll be ready to get the railing painted, cut, and built. Okay, and that's that. So those are trimmed. We'll clean up the edges, make sure we can get our nuts on and everything. But those should be ready to go. And yeah, other than that, that's it for this episode. Next, we're gonna start getting the railings cut, getting those measured out, cut, painted, and then we'll start building those. And if Brian, father-in-law, is gonna end up doing some of that here, so we'll set up and do some time lapsing for that. Make sure we get everything all nice and bright. And again, these are still a little loose under here, so we have some caulking. As you see, we have this cut since we're going to be covering with wood, so we're probably going to come up to a point and just cut all the way across, just so we have some room for some wood to build up to. And yeah, so that's it for now, and I will catch you all next time. Thanks for watching.